Hey guys! Welcome back to AllysiuTV. For today, I'm going to share with you guys my Nido Palawan vlog. So, it's going to be from the series #Marley Travels. I will be with Mark and his friends. So yeah, I'm so excited. I-vlog ko talaga siya kasi nga titira kami sa isang island and stuff. So, i-explain ko yan mamaya. So, as of now, it's currently 4:15 AM. I'm so sleepy. Walang tulog. As in, nag-dinner kami. Tapos, uwi. Nag-pack ako. Tapos, 1:30, alis na ng bahay. Tapos, kita-kita kami. Tapos, ayun. Kasi dito kami ngayon sa Clark International Airport. Eh, natakot kami sa traffic. So, yeah. So, anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Danog. Danog. Hindi ka kita, Danog.
Hello.
Bakit? Ano nangyari? Please explain. Umutot. Guys, nag-uututan sila. Mga single sila. So, kung gusto niya ng mga ututing boyfriend.
Yeah, for sale.
Hey guys, we're here! Nag 1 hour ride kami from airport to this port. Tapos ayan, isa-isa nang kinakayak, pati yung mga luggages and yung mga tao papuntang boat. Tapos mga 2-hour ride papuntang private island. Doon kami magsistay. It's called Brother Island kasi doon yung Airbnb na pagsistayan natin. Hi doggies! No, don't go to me. It's so nice. You're happy. Gutom na ako and I'm so sleepy. No sleep yet. And it's so nice. As in, ganda ng water. It's so clear. And then, ganda din. Medyo fine siya. And then, parang white din. So, I love it. Sobrang picky na ako sa beaches.
Mga hayop po dito, don't worry, mababait po yun sila. Parang kami.
Meron kami hayop ng kasama.
Ayan, may massage
Hindi ako yun, ha?
For the massage po, meron din tayong therapies. But,
regular 700, pero madami kayo so we can
lower the price.
I gotta get you fun! By the way, super cool. Ang dami pang activities na pwedeng gawin. Pwedeng mag-snorkel, so may mga gear dito. And then may beach volleyball. And then, ayan, meron ng stocks na drinks dyan sa accommodation. Meron din daw parang trekking dun sa likod. Tapos meron pa sa parang area na pang sightseeing. So yeah, ang saya parang mag-outing dito with family and friends. So, hindi na pala ako naka-update kanina. Nag-game sila. Pero natulog ako kasi I was so tired. So, anyway, eto na. Nag-fix up na kami. And then, we're getting ready for dinner. Good morning! Day 2. Guys, meron talaga kaming baon. Yes. So, from Brother Island, nag-boat kami papunta dito sa main. And then, nag-van ng mga 1 hour. Tapos, boat again. Para sa island hopping. Say hi! Shy pa rin daw siya sa camera, guys. I'm so sorry. So, anyway, ayan. Nakiihi lang kami sa mga resort dito kasi hindi mo kami dito stay. Tapos, ito yung port. This is the port. Ayan yung mga ibang tourists na mag-island hop. Babe, wait! Binibidyoan kitang naka-pek-pek shorts. So hot! Okay lang kayo? Yeah. Okay, so we're on our way to the Secret Lagoon. Hi! Medyo intense papunta. As in, pinawid namin yon from that beach up to here. Eh, hindi ko pa abot-abot. So, parang, okay. It's called a Secret Lagoon kasi ito lang yung in and out niya. Parang cave lang siya. We have to be careful. Okay, let's go. So, lulubog! Ay, makalikot! Sorry. Pero, oh my God! Ate, parang ko, shit! May bato! Sobrang ganda. Medyo buwis-buhay papunta dito, so kailangan sobrang ganda niya. So, this is it. It's so small. And, ito na yun. Here now in the house of the owner of the island. So, siya yun. Siya si Ali. So, sobrang overlooking nung house niya. Hey guys! So, it's our last day already. Nag-swimming lang, photo shoot, and then games! Yun lang. And then after lunch, kahaligo ko lang. And then, mauuna na kaming 4. Going back to the island. And then flight namin mamaya. So, yeah. So, I'm home. I'm so tired. May work pa tomorrow, but I had so much fun. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Comment down below what you think and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!